Dominating racetracks around the world, these Japanese machines became so fast, so advanced, and so difficult to beat that some were eventually banned, restricted, or pushed out of competition. From turbocharged monsters to screaming rotary-powered legends, these cars changed motorsport forever and forced racing officials to step in. 10. Nissan GT-R R32 Group A ban. Few cars in motorsport history dominated competition like the Nissan GT-R R32. The moment it entered Group A racing, rivals quickly realized they were facing something completely different from ordinary performance cars. The exterior featured boxy body lines, wide fenders, aerodynamic bumpers, and a purposeful stance designed around speed rather than luxury. Every part of the R32 served a performance function. Under the hood sat Nissan's legendary 2.6-liter twin turbocharged RB 26DETT inline-6, officially producing 276 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. Combined with the advanced Atessa ETS all-wheel drive system, the GT-R accelerated from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 4.9 seconds while reaching a top speed of approximately 155 miles per hour. Inside, the cabin remained simple and driver-focused, with supportive sports seats, analog gauges, and excellent visibility. At roughly 3,150 pounds, the R32 delivered incredible grip and balance that made it devastatingly effective on racetracks. Its dominance became so extreme that racing officials eventually stepped in, and the GT-R earned the nickname Godzilla after crushing competitors throughout Group A racing, becoming one of the most feared Japanese race cars ever built. 9. Toyota Celica GT4 ST205. The Toyota Celica GT4 ST205 wasn't just another turbocharged sports car of the 1990s. Built with serious rally ambitions, it quickly became one of the most controversial performance machines ever produced after its success pushed racing officials to take action. The exterior carried aggressive styling with a functional hood scoop, large rear spoiler, wide bodywork, and aerodynamic bumpers that gave the Celica a genuine rally car appearance straight from the factory. Power came from Toyota's legendary 2-liter turbocharged 3S GTE inline-4, producing 255 horsepower and 224 pound-feet of torque. Combined with a sophisticated all-wheel drive system, the GT4 accelerated from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 5.7 seconds, while reaching a top speed of approximately 150 miles per hour. Inside, the cabin balanced practicality with performance. Sports seats, simple analog gauges, and driver-focused controls created an atmosphere designed for spirited driving rather than luxury. At approximately 3,200 pounds, the ST205 delivered exceptional grip and stability, especially on loose surfaces and challenging roads where its rally-derived AWD system truly shined. Toyota's dominance eventually turned controversial when the car became linked to one of the most famous technical rule violations in World Rally Championship history, leading to severe penalties and effectively ending its competition run, cementing the ST205's place as one of Japan's most infamous racing legends. 8. Honda RA272F1. Long before Japanese performance cars dominated racetracks around the world, the Honda RA272 shocked motorsport by becoming one of the most advanced and feared racing machines of the 1960s. Its performance became so overwhelming that it helped change how rivals viewed Japanese engineering forever. The exterior looked incredibly low and futuristic for its era, with an open-wheel Formula One design, exposed suspension components, lightweight aluminum bodywork, and a sleek aerodynamic shape built entirely around speed. Every inch of the RA272 existed for racing. Mounted behind the driver sat Honda's legendary 1.5-liter naturally aspirated V12, producing around 230 horsepower and 104 pound-feet of torque while revving beyond 12,000 revolutions per minute. Despite the small displacement, the lightweight Formula One machine accelerated from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 4.5 seconds and reached a top speed of approximately 180 miles per hour. Inside, there was almost nothing focused on comfort. The cockpit remained extremely narrow and minimalist, featuring basic gauges, exposed mechanical components, and a driving position designed purely for competition. At only 1,098 pounds, the RA272 stayed dramatically lighter than most racing machines of its era. That lightweight construction combined with the screaming V12 gave the car incredible agility and high-speed performance. Honda turned the RA272 into a motorsport legend after securing Japan's first Formula One victory at the 1965 Mexican Grand Prix, proving the company could challenge the biggest names in racing and changing Formula One history forever. This next machine pushed racing technology far beyond what rivals could handle. 7. Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution WRC. Few rally cars in history became as feared as the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution WRC. During the 1990s, the Evo wasn't just winning races, it was helping Mitsubishi build one of the most dominant reputations in world motorsport, forcing rivals to constantly search for ways to catch up. The exterior carried aggressive rally-inspired styling with wide fenders, massive rear wings, hood vents, and aerodynamic bodywork designed to maximize grip and stability at extreme speeds. Every part of the Evo served a performance purpose. Under the hood sat a turbocharged 2-liter 4G63 inline-4, producing around 300 horsepower and 373 pound-feet of torque in WRC specification. Combined with an advanced all-wheel drive system, the rally machine accelerated from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 4.5 seconds while reaching a top speed of approximately 140 miles per hour, depending on gearing and rally conditions. At approximately 2,700 pounds, the Evo WRC delivered incredible agility and traction across gravel, snow, mud, and tarmac. Its combination of turbocharged power and AWD grip made it one of the most effective rally weapons of its era. Mitsubishi's dominance with the Evolution became so overwhelming during certain periods of WRC competition that the car helped reshape rally regulations and remains one of the most successful Japanese racing machines ever built. If this racing legend surprised you, leave a like, because the next one gets even crazier. 6. Subaru Impreza WRX-STI Rally. The Subaru Impreza WRX-STI Rally became one of the most recognizable and feared machines in motorsport during the 1990s. Its combination of turbocharged power, all-wheel drive grip, and relentless reliability allowed Subaru to challenge and defeat some of the biggest names in rally racing. The exterior featured aggressive rally styling with a massive rear wing, hood scoop, widened fenders, roof vents, and aerodynamic bodywork designed to survive the toughest stages in the world. The blue and gold rally livery eventually became legendary among motorsport fans. Power came from Subaru's famous 2-liter turbocharged EJ20 flat-4 boxer engine, producing approximately 300 horsepower and 347 pound-feet of torque in rally specification. Combined with Subaru's advanced symmetrical all-wheel drive system, the car accelerated from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 4.4 seconds, while reaching a top speed of approximately 145 miles per hour, depending on rally gearing. Inside, the cabin was stripped down for competition. Racing seats, a full roll cage, competition gauges, and lightweight construction created an environment focused entirely on speed and driver control. At approximately 2,700 pounds, the WRX STI Rally delivered incredible agility and traction across gravel, snow, mud, and tarmac. Few cars could match its ability to maintain speed through difficult conditions. Subaru's success became so dominant during parts of the World Rally Championship that the WRX STI evolved into one of the most iconic rally cars ever built, helping define an entire era of international motorsport competition. 5. Subaru Legacy RS Group A. Before the Impreza became Subaru's rally icon, the Legacy RS Group A was already proving that the company could build a serious championship contender. The car arrived with advanced all-wheel drive technology and turbocharged power that immediately made it a threat on rally stages around the world. The exterior carried a clean sedan shape with widened fenders, rally-spec aero components, hood vents, and competition-focused modifications designed to improve stability at high speeds. Compared to later rally cars, the Legacy looks surprisingly understated. Under the hood sat Subaru's turbocharged 2-liter EJ20 flat-4 boxer engine, producing approximately 300 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque in Group A specification. Combined with Subaru's advanced all-wheel drive system, the Legacy accelerated from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 4.8 seconds while reaching a top speed of approximately 140 miles per hour depending on rally setup. Inside, the cabin was stripped of unnecessary weight and fitted with racing seats, a roll cage, competition instruments, and specialized controls built entirely around rally performance. At approximately 2,700 pounds, the Legacy RS delivered exceptional traction and stability across gravel, snow, and tarmac. Its AWD system allowed drivers to attack difficult stages with confidence and remarkable speed. The Legacy RS Group A helped establish Subaru as a serious force in the international rally racing, laying the foundation for future championship-winning machines and becoming one of the most important Japanese rally cars ever built. Things are about to become much faster from this point forward. 4. Mazda RX-7 Group B. The Mazda RX-7 Group B arrived during one of the most dangerous and competitive periods in motorsport history. While many rivals relied on turbocharged engines and four-wheel drive systems, Mazda took a different path, trusting its unique rotary technology to battle some of the fastest race cars on the planet. The exterior featured aggressive rally modifications with widened fenders, lightweight body panels, deep air intakes, and aerodynamic enhancements designed to improve stability at high speeds. Compared to the road-going RX-7, the Group B version looked far more serious and race-focused. Under the hood sat Mazda's legendary 1.3-liter twin-rotor 13B rotary engine, producing approximately 300 horsepower and 216 pound-feet of torque in competition trim. Sent through the rear wheels, the lightweight machine accelerated from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 5 seconds, while reaching a top speed of approximately 150 miles per hour. The high-revving rotary delivered power in a completely different way from traditional piston engines, creating a unique and unforgettable driving experience. Inside, the cabin was stripped down for competition with racing seats, a full roll cage, lightweight materials, and essential rally instruments designed purely for performance. At approximately 2,300 pounds, the RX-7 Group B remained exceptionally light, helping it stay agile through tight corners and technical rally stages, despite competing against more powerful rivals. Although Group B racing eventually disappeared because of safety concerns, the RX-7 earned respect for proving that Mazda's rotary technology could compete at the highest levels of motorsport, making it one of the most fascinating Japanese race cars ever created. 3. Mazda 767B Daytona. While most manufacturers chase victory with conventional piston engines, Mazda continued pushing rotary technology to its limits. The Mazda 767B became one of the company's most ambitious endurance racing machines, proving that Japan could challenge the biggest names in international motorsport with something completely different. The exterior looked like a pure prototype race car with an ultra-low body, massive rear wing, aerodynamic side pods, and a long, streamlined shape designed to slice through the air at extreme speed. Every panel existed to maximize downforce and stability during endurance racing. Mounted behind the driver sat Mazda's legendary 2.6-liter, 4-rotor R26B rotary engine, producing approximately 630 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque in racing trim. Sent through the rear wheels, the lightweight prototype accelerated from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 3.5 seconds, while reaching a top speed of approximately 210 miles per hour on long straights. The screaming rotary engine delivered power unlike anything else in motorsport, revving to extraordinary levels while producing a sound fans still remember today. Inside, comfort was completely sacrificed for performance. The cockpit featured a racing seat, digital instrumentation, lightweight construction, and essential controls designed solely for endurance competition. At approximately 1,830 pounds, the 767B remained incredibly light for a machine producing such enormous power. That combination of low weight and rotary performance made it exceptionally fast through both corners and high-speed sections. Mazda's rotary-powered prototypes became so competitive that they helped rewrite expectations for endurance racing, and the 767B played a major role in building the foundation for the legendary machines that followed, making it one of Japan's most important racing cars ever created. Comment below which racing machine you'd love to drive, because the next one is absolutely insane. 2. Nissan Primera JTCC. Unlike many race cars that relied on massive engines and brute force, the Nissan Primera JTCC became famous for winning through precision, balance, and relentless cornering speed. During the 1990s, it dominated the Japanese touring car championship, forcing rivals to rethink how front-wheel drive race cars could perform at the highest level. The exterior carried aggressive touring car styling with widened fenders, deep front splitters, side skirts, racing wheels, and a large rear wing designed to maximize grip on technical circuits. Compared to the ordinary road-going Primera, the JTCC version looked dramatically more focused and purposeful.